Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click on the notification bell to be notified when my videos are out. This is my sister Mary, my niece Brittany, and my other sister Kayla. Don't forget to check out Flavorful's Adventure and Made Fine. Subscribe and thank you very much. So today we will be doing the water crackers challenge. Tough crackers. 6 of them we eat. No water. On the first, second and third position did it. Who come fourth? Lost.
So we just gonna eat them.
No water. You have to eat them off.
So
Who don't eat them off?
That's water. I first eat them off.
You have to wait till we're done, yeah. Any other questions?
So you have to eat everything?
Yeah, you have to eat first, Chris.
If a competition, I have to go eat them fast.
Yeah,
I know I'm going to win.
You're gonna win.
So, yeah,
One ring, please. Yeah, look at Steve. Listen, guys, my avatar up. Come remember, if you don't see the drinking video, she wicked enough, guys. Mama, Mama, not drink, not in a cup. Mama, take up the cup to Mama, yeah. Let me see, guys.
That's why I give a boss a bet you know. Yeah.
Guys, you're wicked, man. Alright, ready? Yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
We're there. We're eating this.
Mary, 1, 3, please, man.
Take two off and soak in here.
Everywhere good on there, one.
You broke two off?
What you mean, my sister? Going nice too. So everybody is I'll find him. I'll find him. Whatever. I'll find him. God, please. Since you have been done, we have been done soon. If you feel it, come up with him.
Okay.
Ito pala sa saliva weird eh.
Wait, Father.
It's not going down. Get me his business, my sister. Mama!
You're ruining this now. Oh, fuck.
Mama?
Yeah,
Ay,
that's
nagkakalit time.
That is nice.
Nice!
Alam mo chok, they dry stuff. Yeah, they nice. Not the earth.
Can't feel the good.
Nanood guys. Give up. Somebody give me a white friend.
That's what I'm saying. Everybody nice.
Not
It is nice to
even. No,
me.
look at salad.
Ah.
That's not nice to me. When I look at me, box much.
Ah, see them.
Oh
my Guys, this is like the second time in my life. Maybe I feel never come first place and come third.
Don't worry. When the Atkins challenge, here we talk.
I'm not win that one day. I know I'm going to lose up for that one day.
Guys, I'm so sorry to let you down.
Then crackers, yeah, give me a cup.
So you want water?
As you see, it burn the phone, no? Burn
As
them
you
out
see,
dry.
guys, I'm the winner.
Some of them burn them out dry and them name of crackers spots. Look on them too, them bright.
I'm hungry. Alright. 1, 2, 3, none. Anyways, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, click on the notification bell. As I said before, check out Flavor Foods and Native Vine. Anything good?
Look, guys, I'll be having videos soon. Some good content, so just look out.
Okay guys, yes, go ahead and check out my channel, Flavor Foods Adventure, if you didn't get it.
And we have special Wednesdays.
Random Wednesdays, yes. So please check us out and, you know, show us some support, you know. Show us all some support. We would really appreciate it. You know what I'm saying?
Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.